Hello and welcome. My name is Maksim Kharitonov and I am the founder and lead expert at the Human Rights, an international agency that prepares expert witness reports for asylum cases worldwide. We specialize in human rights-based risk assessment, covering all 5 grounds under the Refugee Convention, including political opinion, religion, ethnicity, membership of a particular social group, and nationality. Our reports are trusted by lawyers, courts, and immigration authorities in the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, and across Europe. Today I will focus on Nicaragua and the types of risks that lead many of its citizens to seek asylum in the UK and the US. Nicaragua is under an increasingly authoritarian regime where political opposition, dissent, and civil society are brutally suppressed. Since the mass protests in 2018, thousands of people, including students, journalists, religious leaders, and activists, have been arrested, tortured, or forced into exile for opposing the government. Peaceful protest is criminalized and vague terrorism laws are used to prosecute critics. Independent media has been shut down, NGOs have had their legal status revoked, and religious institutions, particularly Catholic churches, have been targeted for allegedly supporting protest movements. Political prisoners often face inhumane conditions including isolation, lack of medical care, and abuse in detention. Women and girls face high rates of domestic violence and sexual abuse, and state protection is extremely limited. Those who report violence risk further harm or retaliation, and many survivors lack access to justice or support services. LGBT individuals face widespread discrimination and violence, both socially and from security forces. Although same-sex relationships are not illegal, there are no anti-discrimination protections, and hate crimes are rarely investigated. Returnees who are viewed as opponents of the regime, particularly those who applied for asylum abroad or criticized the government online, may be denied entry, interrogated, stripped of nationality, or arrested upon return. So how do we prepare expert witness reports? We start with a full review of the case materials, including personal statements, supporting documents, and any previous decisions. Then we move on to in-depth research using both international and local credible sources. We combine real-time data with our knowledge of legal systems, government practices, and the specific patterns of abuse in each region. Each report is written by a dedicated country expert and reviewed by our team of legal researchers and analysts to make sure everything is clear, accurate, and relevant to the case. The final report is prepared to meet the standards of the immigration system and courts in the country where the asylum claim is made, whether that's the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, or any country in Europe. We also use proper legal referencing, so every fact is backed by clear and trusted sources. If you're working on an asylum case right now and you want to strengthen it with solid expert evidence, just get in touch with us today. It's really easy. Just head to our website. The link is in the video description. You can also scan the QR code on your screen or email us directly at info@thehuman-rights.com. And when you reach out, you'll receive a sample report, the expert's CV, and a free consultation. We respond to all inquiries within 1 hour and deliver each report within 1 week. We also work at the minimum rate accepted under legal aid, so our services are accessible even for publicly funded cases. Our team is ready to prepare expert reports for countries across the globe. You can find the full list of regions we cover right there on our website. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to supporting your next asylum case with the clarity, credibility, and professionalism you or your clients deserve.